Motorsports. The brake discs on a Formula One car have to withstand an operating temperature of about 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 1,000 degrees Celsius. They are made of carbon fiber. It is much harder than steel and has a higher melting point. Here, who is the oldest living Formula One driver? Answer: Stirling Moss, who was born on September 17, 1929. Moss took the checkered flag 16 times between 1951 and 1961. Question: Richard Petty is known as the king of stock car racing. He has the most wins of any racer. How many wins do you think he has? Answer: He has 200 wins. He definitely is the king. When Trevor Bayne won the Dayton 500 in 2011, he became the youngest driver to do so. He was 20 years old. In 1988, Bobby Allison won it at the age of 50, making him the oldest. Up here, 3 father-son duos have won the Dayton 500. Which of the following pairs has not done it? A. Lee and Richard Petty. B. Dale and Earnhardt Jr. and Sr. C. Mario and Michael Andretti. Or D. Bobby and Davey Allison. The answer is C. Mario and Michael Andretti. Surprised? The Andrettis may be one of the most famous racing families of all time, but Mario has won the Dayton 500. Down here at the bottom, NASCAR has several colored flags. You probably know that the checkered flag signals the winner. Another common flag is the green one. It signals the beginning of the race. Which of the following flags is not a real NASCAR flag? A. The white flag, which signals that there is 1 lap remaining in the race. B. The yellow flag, which signals that the track is not clear due to an accident or debris. C. The black flag, which signals dangerous weather approaching. Or D. The red flag, which signals a safety issue. If you guessed C, you must be a true NASCAR fan because you got it. Way to know those flags. So we are going to stop here for today. And on the next slide, you are going to answer 1. Why did the author include photographs? And 2. Why do you think the author is giving you questions and answers or multiple choice questions instead of just giving you this information like a regular book?